Hi, welcome to Rate My Gadget, and I'm going to be reviewing the Aeropress Go. So the Aeropress Go is from the Aeropress range. It's sold as a small, compact coffee brewer. So you put ground coffee beans in and then forcing water through a filter, you have a beautifully made coffee. But is it any good? There are some really good parts and there are some really weak parts to the Aeropress Go. So let's go through it. So first of all, how does the Aeropress Go work? Very quickly. So basically you put coffee grounds into boiling water, and much like you would in a cafetiere, you then try and push the water through the coffee grounds. But in the way that you do this is you put it through a plastic container, which basically pushes the water through the coffee grounds and through a filter into your coffee cup. That's the principle. The Aeropress works in a way that it is a small device, and the Aeropress Go is sold as something that you can take with you. It is made from a plastic material, and to be honest, it's not going to win any design awards, but in terms of its compact size, it works quite effectively. It comes with around about 100 paper filters. It comes with the Aeropress itself and a stirrer and a scoop for the coffee grounds. The stirrer can be folded up so it can nicely fit into a plastic coffee mug that it comes with and a silicone cup lid. And that is what the Aeropress Go is sold as, is a coffee cup that you can take on the go. Now, in terms of the coffee quality itself, it is very good. It actually has quite a good silk coffee flavour to it. It's really simple, and it's obviously kind of the principle of most coffee makers. You are pushing hot water through the coffee grounds, and it works very well in that way. We found that if you left the hot water in the coffee itself, it would naturally filter through the paper. However, you want to actually be forcing it through. And one of the letdowns is it does need quite a bit of force to be able to push the coffee through. The Aeropress Go is also BPA free, and it's also dishwasher friendly, and it's a really easy device to clean. Once you've made the coffee, you can easily separate it just using the coffee granules, the coffee ground, and it's really easy to maintain. Now, one of the disadvantages, because it's compact, it does make a relatively small coffee cup. It makes about 240 mils worth of coffee. Now, when you compare that to a Costa coffee like an Americano, that comes out for a small at 350 mil. Just over. So if you're looking to make an Americano like I do, then this may be quite a small coffee. If, however, you want to put milk in it and make it a latte or even make an espresso, this is perfectly fine for you. Now, the Aeropress Go is sold, as per its name, for you to be able to travel with it. It comes with a coffee cup in which all of the Aeropress sits inside, and it comes with a silicone lid as well, which is a nice red with Aeropress embossed on the side. However, and this is its biggest letdown, because it's a silicone lid, you won't be able to turn the cup upside down or put it away in a bag. It will leak coffee out. The cup lid really is only there just as a kind of temporary cover. Also, the coffee cup it comes with, I don't think it looks particularly nice, and also it's not insulated. So although if you're hoping to use this Aeropress Go as a coffee that you can take with you and maybe drink, later on into the day when it's still hot, this won't be able to fulfill that requirement. It is purely, for me, a plastic cup and a red plastic lid that holds the Aeropress in one location. And I think depending on your desire and its use, it may be that the Aeropress Original at the same price is preferable because it gives a slightly larger size of coffee, and although it doesn't come with a cup and a lid, that's not really a huge bonus for me. Overall, however, I do like the Aeropress Go, and I really like the Aeropress range. We have no affiliation with them, and I think that the Aeropress makes a really nice coffee, and it's really easy to use. In terms of putting the filters in and being able to put the coffee in the hot water, it is very simple. Obviously, it opens you up to be able to use different coffee grounds, trial the coffee amount that you want to put in and the water to get a coffee that you prefer. For me, I drink a black Americano. This is exactly what I need. However, if you did want to have something like a latte or some other special coffee, you'll obviously need to do something different with that. However, for a pure coffee from ground coffee, you can't go wrong. I hope that's helped. We do have other videos looking at the Aeropress Original and comparing it to the Aeropress Go, so please do seek those out. But thank you for watching, and please do like and please subscribe.